I need you guys to realize this. Get them to talk about their problems. Don't be afraid to say things like, what is it about the onboarding process that's frustrating you right now? When you say you guys need an app, what's your biggest reason for wanting an app? And so many of us are so afraid to ask that question because we have this stupid thing that pops up on our shoulder, this little demon that's like, don't ask them what's the most important reason why they need sales coaching, because they'll tell you, well, now that I realize it, I don't know why I scheduled this meeting with you, Matt. I don't need sales coaching, right? Which even if they did say that, you know that's not true, and you could just say, if you were to need sales coaching, what do you think you'd need it on? Probably follow-up. Why do you say that? Because it doesn't work. Can you give me some specific examples of how it's not working for you? Yeah, I leave about 14 messages a day and nobody ever calls me back. Nobody calls you back? Yeah, I mean, I've pretty much given up on follow-up. You've given up on follow-up, right? Seems like you're having to essentially close all your deals on the first conversation or hope that they somehow come around and see the error in their ways and purchase from you. That sounds like you're losing a lot of deals in the middle. Yeah, I'd say that's a fair statement. How many of your deals that aren't closing in the first call or miraculously come out of nowhere, how many of those deals in the middle that go away do you think if you were able to somehow keep a dialogue going with them, you'd be able to close? Oh, I'd probably be able to do about 6 more deals a month. How much do you make on a deal? $8,000, right? Now we're able to monetize. But you guys have to slow down and not jump into, well, we're masters at follow-up. I can show you a very simple, skillful system. Within 28 seconds, you can leave a follow-up message, and there's a 700% more likelihood that that person will call you back. That's all true with Easton University. 28-second message. Hey, Matt. It's Matt Easton, Easton University, calling to see if it makes sense to get your team access to the sales coaching. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Okay? I'm not going into that. I'm going to allow you to keep talking about this problem. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.